of the third flats and then catch on to Billings Road. Those big Jeeps are going to run Billings Canyon, which is a hardcore trail. We're just going to follow this. Have some fun up here. All of it's the Bangs Canyon management there, the BLM. All these posts and wires, all volunteer work. Keep the riffraff from going off trail. In front of us there is Grand Mesa. It's the world's largest standing mesa, single-standing mesa. That's what they say. Non-volcanic up on the top. There's lava flows up there, old lava flows. On the north side of it is a big caldera. If you ever get up there, you can see where it blew out. All the ash went up into Wyoming and Montana. For that. Most of the remnants you see around here are all prehistoric. We're in about, most of this was Pleistocene or kind of Jurassic times with the exposed things here.
What town is?
That's Grand Junction. Pretty much you're looking at all at Grand Junction. The cliffs in front of us, that's called the Burke Cliffs. And it starts pretty much right to the right there, the valley, the Colorado River comes through. So those are the Burke Cliffs. They run pretty much from here all the way into Utah, about 130 miles. And there's roads up against them. You can, two-track roads. Cliffs are 8,000 feet high, and the Grand Mesa is anywhere between 10,000 and 11,000 feet. Pretty high up there. It's real cool. A lot of roads up in there for rovers and folks to go up there. Big canyon. It's national forest.